Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own inner cap. So we're going to be measuring the material, any material of your choice. So this part is 21 centimeter and the other part is 20 centimeter. Once you are done measuring, we'll fold our material just the way I'm doing it, and so it's just as simple as that. So guys, I made two because I love the outcome. So I made one in black and one in sky blue color. Guys, this is the finished look. This is how it looks on me. It's looking good. So this is me without a scarf and this is me with a scarf. It's looking really good. This is the blue one and I really love the outcome. I really love the outcome. This is how the black one is looking on me. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.